Well, hello everyone, back again for another video. This time I've brought myself to Roche Rock on this very wintry December afternoon. You see that the snow has set over the last few days. I have been working all week and I thought I want to go out and I want to chase some snowy wintry views. And I thought back to the summer where I'd been and I remembered Roche Rock, and I thought probably of all places this one will be the most spectacular to photograph. So I brought with me my Sony for digital and I brought my Bronica for the film side of it, and it seems that I've got this place all to myself. There's not a single person roaming around. So I've got the tripod, I've got my Sony and I've got my Bronica, so hopefully I'm going to get some nice wintry photos. And I wanted to start off this video with this nice landscape shot here of Roche Rock. I really like the snow leading up to the green, and then the gorse, the yellow gorse petals on the bush, and then obviously in the background you've got those amazing rock formations, and then Roche Rock itself, which I believe used to be a chapel. There's a lot of Cornish folklore around it, which is always worth researching. So unfortunately, when I was changing the camera in my Bronica, I had a little bit of an issue taking the film out. It got stuck on the reel and I opened the back too early, so they were all ruined. I did attempt to get them developed, but to no avail. They are still ruined, and it's a massive shame because that's the only reason I went to that location on that day. But we live and we learn. Hopefully next time I won't make the same mistake. But I hope you guys have enjoyed the video and the images that I took on my Sony, because Roche Rock and the middle of Cornwall is just such a beautiful place anyway. So stick around for more videos and hopefully I won't mess up again.